Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and I'm enjoying this fruit in Tanzania right now. In Jamaica, we call it Chiny Guinep, lychee Guinep family. This is a tasty fruit. If you haven't tasted it before, try and taste it. It normally grows in the tropics, so maybe that's the reason why I could find it here in Tanzania, Zanzibar. I'm going to actually eat this and show you what it's like inside. So let's do this, family. Let's do it. Yeah, family, this is what it looks like. Very juicy. Lychee, Chiny Guinep. That's what it looks like, family. Fleshy. Sweet. Sweet. Very expensive in Jamaica, but cheap.